Hey, why 4K 60 not showing anything? Front screen's got blank. Color enhance on 4K 60. You won't be able to see your front screen. Not what you want on a DJI Action 3. You want to be able to see your front screen. Siri's talking. I don't know what she's saying. She said, yeah, it's got to go now. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for joining me. As you can see, technology doesn't work at its best no matter what it is. If it's a phone, a camera, your bike, your car, just walking out the house, you name it. Shot V10 DJI, which you don't turn on all the time. I wonder if they got an instant on to record. But I was wrong that the Sony ZV-1F, it doesn't have a flash as well. I guess that's how they cut the corners. Want to just leave the front mic? Would that stop the wind from hitting you? It sure would. You want to know why? Because you don't have wind noise reduction on if Pro is not set. So all that wind in the camera just fails to work. So I stepped over here. Maybe the wind won't hit the front. As you can see, the leaf blew this way. Well, you know the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, or the ZV-2, yes indeed, it's rumored by you to come out. And I said some of my piece and talk about it. Oh, I can't wait. I hope it gets a 14 millimeter lens, not a 16. A 14 would be the best, man. And we could choose our field of view. Wait a second. I don't want an action camera again, but that's one of the things we want to get, a wider lens. See, Sky spits all those rumors. I just tell you like it is, man. If it comes out, it comes out. If it don't, it don't. I'm waiting. I may make my purchase, read up on it on Sony. That's where all the information comes from officially, right? Holy cow. Come on now. I needed you to come on like 4 scenes ago. Now I know my camera clicks on. I got nothing really to say. I'm just shocked. All that noise, man, it's just Russian traffic noise. The tires on the road. There goes the sun coming on up with the haze. It's not going to get warm today. It's going to be a nice, comfortable day. Very windy indeed. Gotta be careful where you go. There's a homeless sitting right there, slumped over. Never know where you're at. Off I go. 2 things. While I'm on this side of the road, I want to see this big truck. Looks like a Jeep or something. And maybe that traffic noise got alleviated by the buildings closer here. That doesn't swamp me. I'm going to go show you this truck. Look at this bad boy, man. Look how tall it is. A little taller, please. Hear the wind? Hear the traffic? Hear the noise? Can you hear me? I'm on Pro, and I have choices of one thing on directional off and front. I can't have directional on in Pro. So when Pro is off, you have directional. What happens when you leave it on front and shut it off? You're going to get directional in the other one. So that means you may get from underneath the camera and the 2 mics in the front. There's no mics on the side or the back. So how could the front pick up the rear? You heard that siren coming from the rear to the front, right? I give up trying to learn the camera. I had it for 7-8 months. I don't know how long I had it for, but more than, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, Yeah, 8 months, man. Camera comes out that long. I like it. I don't hate it. I don't love it. It's a love and hate relationship. The camera does just fine for what you need it to do, with everyone bitching about, oh, the focus is so soft. Can you see the tear coming down my eye right here? How crisp and clear that is. DJI is on the soft side of video. They're not super crisp. Bokeh! I gotta be careful. I don't want to lose my hat, and the wind is kicking. It is pretty windy, believe it or not. I don't know if you can see the flag back there blowing, and I'm facing the right way. You know what I haven't said in such a long time? Welcome to Cement City, baby! Ooh, man, the main avenue, it's got all the wind kicking. What kicks up with the wind? All that pollen. And that's not good to breathe that in. Maybe choking and trying to sneeze. It gets in your eyes, you be all itchy. Not a good day. Check this out. It's MIA. The blue Mustang has moved. Gotta go find it. I'm winded out. I'm done. My hand's cupping over the camera. It's pretty bad. I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot, and I'll see you on many other videos to come.